This mini chainsaw is compact, super effective, and perfect for all your cutting needs. It's lightweight, super powerful, and perfect for quick cutting jobs around the house or the yard. Whether it's trimming branches or cutting firewood, this mini chainsaw gets the job done fast and easy.
It comes with 2 extra chains, it comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and it comes with 2 gloves to keep your hands safe from the blade, and it has a carrier case to carry it in. It's super cute. My husband loves it, and of course it's handy because we were able to chop down those bushes there that they always fall down in our walkway anyway. So I'm really glad we got this. Definitely worth the money, worth the smile I saw on his face.